In a world where technology is constantly advancing, artificial intelligence is at the forefront of this revolution. From image recognition to language processing, AI is changing the way we interact with technology and each other. DALL-E 2 is a state-of-the-art AI system that can generate high-quality images from textual descriptions. This advanced system is an improvement over the original DALL-E, and is capable of generating a wider range of images with greater accuracy. But what sets DALL-E 2 apart is Stable Diffusion, a unique technique that helps the AI system maintain consistency in its generated images. This is achieved by diffusing the gradients of the image back into the model, which helps to stabilize the training process and produce more consistent results. And then there's Midjourney, a new framework for building AI models that can be trained on a wide variety of tasks. This flexible and scalable platform allows AI researchers and practitioners to build and test new models, helping to drive the field of AI forward. The potential of DALL-E 2, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney is truly exciting. These cutting-edge developments in AI have the potential to revolutionize the way we think about and interact with technology, leading to new innovations and advancements that will shape our future. So there you have it, folks. DALL-E 2, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney are set to change the game in the world of AI, and it will be interesting to see how these developments will impact our lives in the years to come. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.